15 finest English street foods. English street food tells the story of England itself. Industrial towns, coastal communities, market traders, miners, and modern multicultural cities, all wrapped into handheld meals. Long before gourmet food trucks became fashionable, vendors were feeding dock workers, factory hands, and seaside holidaymakers with dishes designed to be affordable, filling, and portable. Many of these foods date back centuries, some even protected by law today. Others reflect modern Britain's evolving tastes. In this fully verified guide to the 15 finest English street foods, we count down from 15 to 1, exploring authentic origins, historical context, and why these dishes remain staples of England's vibrant street food culture. 15. Pease pudding stotty. The stotty is a traditional round, flat loaf from northeast England, particularly Newcastle upon Tyne and surrounding areas. The name likely derives from the local dialect word stot, meaning to bounce, referring to the bread's dense texture. Historically, stotties were baked directly on the oven floor in very hot ovens, producing their distinctive flat, chewy character. Pease pudding, made from split yellow peas simmered with salt and sometimes a little ham, has been eaten in England for centuries. It appears in medieval cookery and became especially popular in northern working-class households. The combination of thick pease pudding and sliced ham inside a stotty became a practical, affordable meal for labourers. Today, while most stotties are produced in commercial bakeries rather than on oven floors, they remain common in northeast markets. Though regionally specific rather than nationwide, the pease pudding stotty is an authentic example of traditional English street food heritage. 14. Black pudding bap. Black pudding is a type of blood sausage traditionally made from pork blood, fat, and oatmeal or barley. It has deep roots in British and Irish food history, with references to blood sausages dating back to medieval times. In England, black pudding is particularly associated with Lancashire and Bury in Greater Manchester. At outdoor markets and breakfast vans across England, black pudding is often served sliced and fried inside a bap, soft bread roll, frequently paired with bacon or egg. Its texture is crumbly and rich, with a mild spiced flavour. While black pudding may not appeal to every palate, its place in English culinary tradition is undeniable. The black pudding bap reflects the long-standing British breakfast culture and remains a regular sight at market stalls and sporting events. 13. Chelsea bun. The Chelsea bun originated in the 18th century at the Chelsea Bun House in London, which gained popularity during the Georgian era. Historical records indicate that even members of the royal family visited the bakery. The bun is made from yeasted dough rolled with currants and brown sugar, baked into spirals, and glazed. Its sweet, yet not overly heavy flavour made it ideal for eating alongside tea. Today, Chelsea buns remain widely available at markets, bakeries, and food fairs. Though not always sold from street carts, they are commonly enjoyed as a takeaway pastry, fitting comfortably within England's broader street food tradition. Their documented 18th century popularity makes them one of the oldest items on this list. 12. Cumberland sausage sandwich. Cumberland sausage originates from Cumbria in northwest England. It is known for its long coiled shape and distinctive seasoning, particularly black pepper. The traditional Cumberland sausage holds Protected Geographical Indication (PGI) status within the UK, meaning it must be made in Cumbria following specific criteria to use the protected name. Street vendors commonly serve thick slices of grilled Cumberland sausage inside crusty rolls, often topped with fried onions or mustard. The pepper-heavy seasoning sets it apart from milder British sausages. The sandwich format is modern, but the sausage itself has documented regional roots dating back several centuries. It remains a popular street food item at English markets and festivals. 11. Eccles cake. Eccles cakes originated in the town of Eccles, Greater Manchester, in the late 18th century. They consist of small, round pastries filled with currants, butter, and sugar. Historical references to Eccles cakes date to at least the 1790s. Their compact size and sturdy pastry make them ideal for portable consumption. Traditionally eaten with cheese or tea, they are still widely sold at markets and bakeries throughout England. Unlike heavier desserts, Eccles cakes are convenient for eating on the move, reinforcing their place within authentic English street food culture. 10. Sausage roll. The sausage roll became widely popular in Britain during the 19th century, though variations of meat wrapped in pastry existed earlier. It consists of seasoned pork sausage meat encased in puff pastry and baked until golden. Affordable and portable, the sausage roll became a staple of bakeries, railway kiosks, and markets. Today, it is one of the most recognisable snack foods in England. While gourmet versions now exist, the classic pork sausage roll remains dominant. Its practicality and longevity firmly establish it among the 15 finest English street foods. 9. Cornish pasty. The Cornish pasty has well-documented origins in Cornwall during the 18th and 19th centuries, particularly associated with tin miners. Its thick pastry crust allowed miners to hold the pasty with dirty hands and discard the crimped edge. Traditional fillings consist of beef skirt, potato, swede, and onion. The Cornish pasty holds PGI status, requiring it to be made in Cornwall and follow specific ingredient guidelines. Though regional in origin, it is now widely available across England at street markets and transport hubs. Its documented heritage and legal protection make it one of England's most historically verified street foods. 8. Fish and chips, street style. Fish and chips became popular in England in the mid to late 19th century. Fried fish likely arrived through Jewish immigrant communities, while chipped potatoes developed separately in Britain. The combination became widespread during the Industrial Revolution. Street-style servings are common at seaside kiosks and markets, typically using cod or haddock coated in batter and deep-fried. Chips are thick-cut and served with salt and malt vinegar. Fish and chips played a role in sustaining factory workers and remained available even during wartime rationing. It remains one of the most globally recognised British dishes. 7. Bacon butty. The bacon sandwich, commonly called a bacon butty, is a simple combination of back bacon served inside sliced bread or a soft roll. It became widely associated with working-class breakfasts in the 20th century. Mobile catering vans serving bacon sandwiches are common throughout England, particularly at markets, building sites, and sporting venues. Its simplicity and accessibility contribute to its continued popularity as English street food. 6. Pie and mash. Pie and mash shops emerged in London during the Victorian era. These shops served minced beef pies with mashed potatoes and parsley liquor, a green sauce made from parsley and the stock of stewed eels. Though originally sold in shops rather than roaming carts, pie and mash is commonly sold for takeaway and remains a fixture in traditional East London food culture. It is historically documented and remains an enduring symbol of London's working-class culinary heritage. 5. Hog roast roll. Hog roasting has medieval roots in Britain, particularly associated with feasts and fairs. Modern hog roast rolls, carved pork served in bread rolls with applesauce, are popular at festivals, agricultural shows, and Christmas markets. While the sandwich format is contemporary, the roasting tradition itself is centuries old. Its presence at markets across England secures its position among the most visible modern English street foods. 4. Scotch egg. The Scotch egg was reportedly popularised in London in 1738 by Fortnum and Mason, though similar dishes existed earlier. It consists of a boiled egg encased in sausage meat, coated in breadcrumbs, and fried or baked. Its compact design makes it portable and suitable for travel, aligning with street food traditions. Today, Scotch eggs are widely sold at markets and food festivals, sometimes with soft-set yolks in modern interpretations. 3. Yorkshire pudding wrap. Yorkshire pudding dates back to the 18th century. Traditionally served alongside roast beef, it absorbs gravy and extends meals. The Yorkshire pudding wrap emerged in the 2000s at English food festivals, where vendors began filling oversized puddings with roast meats, vegetables, and gravy before rolling them for easy handling. Though modern, it draws directly from established British roast traditions, making it a verified evolution rather than an invention without precedent. 2. Jellied eels. Jellied eels became common in the 18th and 19th century London, where eels from the Thames were plentiful and inexpensive. They were boiled, chopped, and allowed to cool into a natural jelly from the stock. Often sold alongside pie and mash, they remain available in traditional London establishments today. Though consumption has declined, jellied eels are historically documented and remain one of England's most distinctive street foods. 1. Chicken tikka masala wrap. Chicken tikka masala became popular in Britain during the late 20th century. While its precise origin is debated, it is widely recognised as a dish strongly associated with British South Asian cuisine. The wrap version, grilled marinated chicken in flatbread with salad and sauce, reflects modern English street food markets, particularly in London, Birmingham, and Manchester. Its popularity demonstrates the evolution of British cuisine influenced by immigration and multicultural communities. As a street-friendly adaptation of one of Britain's favourite dishes, it earns the top position in the 15 finest English street foods. English street food blends centuries-old recipes with modern innovation. From legally protected Cornish pasties to Victorian pie shops and contemporary Yorkshire pudding wraps, each dish reflects documented culinary history. The 15 finest English street foods show that England's food culture is rooted in tradition, yet constantly evolving, remaining both authentic and delicious today. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.